What if you could create professional posters in minutes without any design skills? AI makes it possible with just a few simple steps. Start by opening your browser and searching for a diagram, then open the website and sign in to access the tool. Once inside, you'll find a variety of existing designs and also get free credits to start generating your own posters. Set the image ratio to 3:4 for a proper poster layout. Then describe your idea by writing a detailed prompt that includes the theme, colors, style, and overall design direction. You can also upload a reference image if you have a specific look in mind, or simply rely on your prompt for full creativity. After submitting everything, the AI begins generating multiple poster variations automatically. Within a short time, you'll receive several unique poster options to choose from. Browse through the results, select the design that best matches your vision, and download it instantly with a single click. This AI workflow makes poster creation fast, flexible, and accessible, allowing anyone to design professional quality posters without any prior experience.